Okay, let's do some solving on the calculator. So why do we have to learn to do these on our own when we have the calculator? You don't understand math if you're just pushing buttons. We really need to know what's going on deep down. And sometimes the calculator will give you results that you don't understand and occasionally are wrong. You got to know both the math and the technology. So let's start with the TI-83. I'll show you how to do it on the 83 and the 89. Okay, so let's do 0.056x minus 1.223 equals 0.965 plus 2.890x. Okay, so first step on the calculator. You won't be able to see the screen very well, sorry. Oops, let's get back to... Okay, so you're at your home screen, but maybe you can tell which buttons I'm pushing, and I'll write them down. We want to first go to math. Where'd it go? Oh, it's looking at me right there. Under your alpha, there's your math. So write that down. Okay, arrow down to the number 0. Oops, it's at the very last one, which is your solver, is what it says. Hit enter. Okay, the middle line says x equals, and that'll probably be the solution you just did on your last equation, and it's kind of a guess for your calculator. We want to up arrow, so to the equation. That's where you enter the equation. Okay. Notice that I cannot arrow to the left side. It's just 0 equals. Okay. So I'm going to clear off my old equation. I need to go back up here and get one side of my equation to 0. So I just pick a side. I guess I might as well pick the right side. I'm going to subtract 0.05x, sorry, 0.056x from both sides, add 1.223 both sides. Okay, so this will become 0 equals, I happen to like to do math in my head, so 2.188, and then that might be tricky. Let's see. Uh, 2.834x and a plus in the middle. Okay, so this will be what we enter to the calculator. 2.188 plus 2.834, and my X button, I'm just going to hit the XT theta N button. Okay, and then hit enter. Okay, now we're back to the screen we originally have from the solver. Now the cursor has to be on the x equals part. If you do it down to the bound, which is your possible x values, it won't work. So put it on your x equals, and you're going to go to solve, which is the green above the enter. So it's alpha enter. Okay, it's thinking, and we got, the answer was x equals negative 0.7720536344 ... this left minus RT equals 0, that's left minus right. What they did was plug in their value of x into the left side of the equation and compared it to the right side. And they got 0, which is a good sign. Basically, they're checking it. Okay, so there's the answer. Now on your homework it says, then solve the equation yourself using the calculator only for arithmetic purposes. So let's do that and compare what we get. We did part of the work already. So we can actually just go from here. We'll have negative 2.188 equals 2.834x. Divide both sides by 2.834. Okay, so by arithmetic purposes, I mean multiply, divide, add, subtract, like that. Okay, so we'll quit out of that solver screen and just take negative 2.188 divided by 2.834. Cross your fingers that it's the same answer. It is. 36344. So you can write on your homework, they are the same.